Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at RCAT, and yeah, we have been in a very serious downtrend for quite a while until March 2020, when we managed to get a three-wave move up, finally some reset, and then we managed to hold a higher low, and we formed even a higher high. Well, this allows me to interpret and present a few possible scenarios. This chart is not bullish, let me be clear of that. It is very high risk, and there is still a setup here. Regardless of the high risk of the chart overall, there is a potential entry that could present to ourselves, but overall we are tracking a larger A, B, C. That's the main scenario that we are tracking. It could end up being a larger diagonal to the upside, and this could be a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then in the third wave to the upside we would have a wave A up that could have finished or could complete with a fifth wave up here. And yeah, the A wave can complete in 3 waves or in 5 waves, giving us much more uncertainty in this case of whether we break down directly from here or we form a new high to complete a 5-wave move. And then yeah, we would look for a B wave area for support, and then a C wave to the upside. But especially if we complete a 5-wave move, in this case the risk is that we are in the ABC and we break directly lower to new all-time lows. So yeah, when it comes to that time, we need to be extra careful, extremely careful. This has a chance of actually going to zero, breaking down even more. But yeah, at the moment we have the luxury of having a 1, 2, 3 here, and we would now need a fourth and a fifth in the case that we would have the larger A, B, C, and we would break to new lows. So in that case we can track, and I can add to the chart this scenario where we have the support zone in yellow between $7.60 up down to around $2.50. This is no doubt diagonal, and that's what I'm mainly tracking. And what I am looking for the most is not the idea that we go directly higher from here, which is possible, and an ideal target if the wave 4 is complete would be between $16.80 up to around $28.80. But there's the chance that we may reset this fourth wave, giving us another opportunity to enter in this yellow support zone and allow for a great risk-reward ratio trade setup. So yeah, in case that we do break and form a larger ABC, in case we break the direct upside of this move that started in March 2025, we can track here, and let me adjust this, we can track the resistance levels for an overshooting B wave. And yeah, with this upside we did reach and sort of react to the 78.6% retracement. I can give you an ideal target for the supposed C wave, and that would be around $3.80. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I am looking for a possible entry in this area, and yeah, if we break down below the yellow support zone, we don't turn necessarily directly bearish. We may be looking for a larger support zone in a larger ABC correction, or not necessarily a correction, a larger ABC move in a larger third wave. And yeah, that would be this support zone. But yeah, below the 78.6% retracement at $1, I would start to seriously doubt the potential of the move up, and be even more wary of the risk. Although I would really like the best we can hope for, honestly, is that we find new support in a lower fourth wave here and grab the profits for a fifth wave, and then probably be done with this unless it proves itself even further along the time that it can be a reliable stock to be traded. So yeah, these are the levels, this is the trade setup, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.